know somebody gonna say I'm petty.
Used to be under my arm, now you on my Under Armour. It's like it's some sort of karma. Used to never call no bro. You were in head and culture, but in the era of the fraud. Y'all want the one who don't want you. I'm from where you make the board. You go home, know who support you. You was wooed that I want you. Waited till I stay there, we can make it. To refuse or offer. Only ring you on a ring lights. Like no one but need lights. At the end of every sentence gotta be like. Picked up on that young girl behavior. Them social media savers made you no longer be neighbors. Y'all used to marry for papers, 10K and some favors. Now you and all of your homegirls haters traded us for the data. Later you tell your bestie how we almost told one of mine. She said that when she see you, she want no smoke. But I won't let that happen. You can show up where you want go. I heard you only there to please the gay like award shows. I'ma need my hoodie back, cause I feel it's a booby trap. Holding on to it is like suggesting we still could be that. You left nothing here, fair exchange, you took your goodies back. You kept pulling back, so go ahead, just sweat out my hoodie scrap. I'ma need my hoodie back, cause I feel it's a booby trap. Holding on to it is like suggesting we still could be that. You left nothing here, fair exchange, you took your goodies back. You kept pulling back, so go ahead, just sweat out my hoodie scrap. But hold on to my hoodie, them souvenirs could turn into who in there. That dude in there, the one with the woolly hair. I found all in your hoodie, man, you should be scared. Truly though, why do I care? I guess that's the masculinity. They wanna uproot and tear, youth impaired. They don't spin the bottle or play truth or dare. It's the trails of chemicals polluting air. It's like Putin got us saluting from here. You no longer do your hair. Since I left Bonnet at McDonald's, yeah, I saw you get your groove from there. Used to be my Dunkin' shorty, now you just another shorty. Who'd rather say that we used to talk than to do something for me. Independent woman with the portable for when you're horny. I can't wait till y'all start watching sports together to look sporty. Smile for the instant while you wild on your Mr. Still. Speed dialing Grubhub, spicy mild dinners, not for nothing love. Although you use my sleeves for some oven gloves, I'ma need my hoodie back, cause I feel it's a booby trap. Holding on to it is like suggesting we still could be that. You left nothing here, fair exchange, you took your goodies back. You kept pulling back, so go ahead, just sweat out my hoodie scrap. I'ma need my hoodie back, cause I feel it's a booby trap. Holding on to it is like suggesting we still could be that. You left nothing here, fair exchange, you took your goodies back. You kept pulling back, so go ahead, just sweat out my hoodie scrap.